Have you ever wondered why some businesses seem to grow so much faster than others? It isn't always because they have a bigger marketing budget. More often than not, it's because they've built the right partnerships. Hi everyone, I'm Dennis Thompson with Cube Capital Group, and today we're talking about why industry partnerships can completely transform your business. An industry partnership is simply a relationship between two businesses or organizations that serve similar audiences without directly competing with each other. When done right, everyone wins. Here are 5 major benefits. First, partnerships help you reach new customers. Instead of spending thousands on advertising, your partner can introduce you to people who already trust them. Second, you gain access to new expertise and resources. Maybe one business specializes in marketing while another excels at operations. Working together allows both companies to become stronger. Third, partnerships build credibility. When respected organizations recommend your business, potential clients are much more likely to trust you. Fourth, partnerships can open doors to grants, government contracts, sponsorships, and funding opportunities. Many grant programs actually encourage collaboration because they want to see organizations working together to create greater community impact. Finally, strategic partnerships create long-term growth. Instead of thinking about one sale, you're building relationships that can generate referrals and opportunities for years to come. So here's my challenge for you. Think about one business that serves your ideal customer but doesn't compete with you. Reach out this week and start a conversation. You might be surprised where that relationship leads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another entrepreneur. And if you're looking for resources to help grow your business, be sure to check out cubecapitalgroup.com. I'll see you in the next video.